I have long, thick, dense hair. I use 2 to 2.5 pumps of K18 mask.
I have a lot of fine, thin hair. I use 1 pump.
I have long, medium density, color treated hair, and I use 1 pump of K18.
My hair is long and medium thickness, so I use about 2.5 pumps of K18.
I have fine 3C curls, 2 pumps.
I have fine bleached hair, and I use 1.5 pumps.
For my short, fine hair, all I'm using is only half a pump of K18.
I have long, thick hair, and I use 1 pump of K18.
I have long 2B wavy hair, and I use 1 pump of K18.
For my hair, which is medium thickness, medium density, I use 2 pumps.
For my bleached thick bob that I heat style way too frequently, I use 1.5 pumps of K18. That is all I need.
I have curly, high density hair, and I use 1.5 pumps of K18.
I have short wavy hair with medium density and texture, so I like to use just half a pump of K18.
For my fine, high density 4C hair, I use 1 pump of K18.
I have medium long thick hair and I use 1 pump.
I love that it takes only 4 minutes to work because of this. Right, Reese?